Okay, so let's do these ones. The method we're going to use to add these mixed numbers is we're going to convert each of the mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So how do we do that? So it's denominator times whole number. So in this way, it's 6 times 6. And then you add the numerator. So 36 plus 5 is 41 over 6. Here we have 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. And what's the denominator? In this case, it's 3. Okay, so luckily I can see an easy win here. So we can go rename this into sixths. So let's do that. So that'll be 6. We double it, which means we double the top. And let's use that. Okay, so we're going to have sixths as our answer. So 41 and 22 is 63, right? And that's going to give us 63 divided by 6 is 10 with 3 left over. So it's 3 6. And we know, there we go, it's 3 6. That can be renamed as a half. So 10 and a half is the answer to the first one. What about the second one? So that's going to be 61 over 12 plus 56 plus 6 is 62 over 7. Okay, this is not looking good in the sense that it's going to be big numbers. So our new denominator is going to be 12 times 7, which is 84. Okay, 7 times 61, that's 427, plus 12 times 62 is 744. And what does that equal? How many 84ths do we have? That's going to be, what is that? 1,171. So how many times does 84 go into 1,171? The answer is 13, and you have 79 left over. So 79 over 84, and that is the final answer.